welcome to Lavana's Rainbow channel. Today I am going to show you how to do pranayama at home. First we need to draw a star. Take a pencil and draw a star like this. First, now take a sketch pen. Take a sketch pen and mark outlines only. Like this. Now erase the middle part. Now we have to erase like this. Now take a pencil and draw one and draw two over here and draw three. Now write 3. Now 4. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Every corners you have to write the numbers. Now write here in and write here out. And now write here in, here out. Now you have to draw in and out like this. Take a toy or a pencil. I am taking a pencil. Now take the pencil in one and move the pencil, and you have to do breathing. Do in and do out. You have to do 2 to 3 out and 1 to 2 in and 3 to 4 in and 4 to 5 out. 5 to 6 in, 6 to 7 out, 7 to 8 in, 8 to 9 out, 9 to 10 in, 10. I am doing one more time pranayama. Do this pranayama daily at home easily. You also draw a star and do like me. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.